I just finished fully servicing this vintage Karl Griesbaum double singing birdcage. Absolutely wonderful condition. Everything was taken apart, serviced, so it'll provide another generation of worry-free use. It's fully wound. I'm going to start off on the pause mode, which is the first setting. As you can see, the pause works exceptionally well. That's a great indication that the bellows and the mechanism is in excellent shape, and it provides for a much longer playing time on one wind. Then I'll switch to continuous, which is the third setting. This birdcage is a very strong singer. The birds sing with full notes and animate flawlessly. I'm going to turn it off. In summary, a vintage Karl Griesbaum double singing birdcage in excellent condition that works perfectly. Take care.